Want to watch YouTube videos while using other apps on your iPhone? Here's how to set up Picture-in-Picture in about a minute. Open Settings and tap General, then select Picture-in-Picture. Turn on Start Pip automatically so videos will pop out when you leave the YouTube app. Next, open YouTube, tap your profile icon at the top right, then tap Settings and choose General. Scroll down to Picture-in-Picture and make sure it's enabled. If you don't see that option, update YouTube to the latest version in the App Store. Now play any video and swipe up, or press the Home button to return to the home screen. The video will shrink into a floating window you can move around. You can open Instagram, play a game, or browse other apps while the video stays on top. To dismiss, drag the pip window to the edge of the screen or tap the close icon. To return to full screen playback, tap the pip window twice. That's it. Enjoy multitasking with YouTube in Picture-in-Picture mode. If this helped you, please tap like, share your favorite multitasking tip in the comments, and subscribe for more quick tutorials.